What if Apple's next big thing was actually super thin? That's exactly what the latest leak is hinting at. The video just dropped online showing what appears to be a dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Air, and people can't stop talking about its incredibly slim design. Thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro, way thinner. Almost razor-like. Let's talk about what's making this leak so exciting and whether it might just be a future of Apple's iPhone design. In the video, supposedly taken at a Chinese phone store, we see what looks like a prototype iPhone 17 Air being compared directly with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And the difference? It's shocking. The 17 Air seems almost impossibly thin, with a flat-edged design that feels like a throwback to the iPhone 4 era, but ultra-modernized. Now, before we get too hyped, let's add a little context. This is likely a dummy unit, not the final product. These are often used by case manufacturers and retailers to plan accessories ahead of time. So while it gives us an idea, it might not reflect every detail in the final phone. But that's not stopping the tech world from buzzing. So why would Apple go this thin? Well, it aligns with recent rumors that Apple is going all in on making the iPhone 17 lineup lighter, sleeker, and more futuristic. We've heard talks of improved battery tech, new materials like titanium or even carbon fiber, and major changes to the internal layout. A thinner design could also be Apple's answer to the growing demand for minimalist, premium-feeling smartphones, especially in a market where most phones look and feel the same. But with thinness comes trade-offs. Will battery life suffer? Will the camera bump grow even larger? And how will Apple keep this thing cool under heavy use? All valid questions. But one thing's clear. Apple is aiming for a bold new visual identity in 2025. The iPhone 17 Air, whether this dummy is legit or not, already has people talking. It represents a direction we haven't seen from Apple in years, focusing more on design evolution than just internal power boosts. If this turns out to be real, the iPhone 17 could be the most visually stunning iPhone in a decade. Are you ready for a thinner, lighter iPhone? Or are you more team battery and camera power? Let me know in the comments. Until then, stay tuned, because this might just be the start of Apple's next design revolution.